everyone, welcome to the GeForce IT Academy once again. This is the lesson 13 in our Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Foster. I'm the founder of the GeForce IT Academy. In our previous lesson, we started looking at how to insert tables in Microsoft Excel. So in this lesson, we are not going to waste much time. We are just going to learn how to insert data into tables in Microsoft Excel without any challenge. So if you are meeting this video for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for all, like and share this video with your friends to also benefit from us on this channel. Don't be stingy. Make sure that you share the video with your friends. Share it in all the groups that you find yourself. Make sure that you follow the lessons closely so that you can be able to understand everything, and make sure that you submit your assignments. You do the same thing that I'm doing here and submit your assignments to the numbers appearing on your screens so that we can help you out in case you face any challenge. Please, if you face any challenge in this video, don't hesitate to WhatsApp the numbers appearing on your screens so that we can be able to assist you, we can be able to help you out. Don't forget that practice makes man perfect. Alright, so let's just start inserting data into this particular table here. So the first student that we are going to work on is Okro Godwin. That is the name of the first student. Then the second student is Anku Edwin. Then the next one is Opoku Joy. Good. So those are the three students that we are going to work on. We want to insert all the scores of those students in the various subjects. So we have three subjects here: mathematics, ICT, then science. So Godwin was able to score 80 in mathematics. He was also able to score 40 in ICT, and he scored 60 in science. Then when we move to Edwin was able to score 40 in mathematics, then 90 in ICT, then 88 in science. Then we are moving to the last student, that is going to be Opoku Joy. So let's just select the cell like that. Then we come to this one here. Opoku Joy was able to score 60 in mathematics. He was able to score 80 in mathematics. Then finally, he was able to score 89 in science. He scored 60 in mathematics. He scored 80 in ICT. Then finally, 89 in science. Alright, so these are the various scores of the various students from the various subjects. Alright, so what we are going to do now is to learn how we can be able to format these details or to format this data appropriately so that it will look more professional in our system. So we need to select the first row like this. So you press and hold the left button on your computer mouse, then you drag it to the last subject here. We want to apply some basic formattings to all this data that we have inside this table here. So let's come to the bold here. Good. Then we can increase the font size or we leave it. We want to align everything to the center. We want to align everything to the center except the names. So what are we going to do? Let's just leave that one we come to this one too. Let's select it. Let's select that particular cell. Then we come to bold. Then we align, we maintain that alignment. We come to the last one here too. We select the bold. Then we leave it. Now we want to align the scores here to the middle, to the center of all the cells that we have here. So how are we going to do that? Quickly select the first cell here. Then we align to the center. Click on align center. Then we select the second one too. Click on align to the center like this. Then we select the third one to align to the center. But let's make sure that they all have the bold effect. So click on bold, come back to this one too. Click on bold, you come back to this one too. You click on bold, then you click on align to the center like this. You select the last one here, align center. Then we give it the bold formatting. So we select this one too, align center. This one too, align center. This one too, the same thing. So that is how we align figures to the middle of cells in a particular table. So please don't forget to save your work. Press and hold the control key on your computer keyboard, then you press S. Good. So that is how we save our work in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so now we want to change the font styles of all the names and all the scores that we have inside this table here. We want them to have one font style as we did to this one here. So what we are going to do is just to press the left button on your computer keyboard. Before you do that, you select the first cell here. Before you do that, you have to select the first cell here. So now let's go. You press and hold the left button on your computer mouse, then you drag it like this to the last one here. Now we want to change the font style to a particular font style that is going to be the Times New Roman. The Times New Roman, you type the name like that. That is the font style that I like using. So you press enter like that. Please, have you seen that there is a change here? There is a change here. So how can we increase the font size of all these figures inside this table here? So we come to this one here, the drop down here, then you increase it to the size that you prefer. So let me just select 22 here, 22. So we need to apply the same formatting to the headings that we have here. So let me just select all like this. Then we increase the font size to, since this one is 22, the heading must be bigger than the 22. So let's give it 24. Now we have another work again. We need to expand. So left click and hold, then drag it to the side that you want. Expand this one to scores, expand it. Then this one to let's expand. Good. Then let's do the same thing for the last column too, like that. Please let me just work on it. Good. So I think we are moving in the right direction now. So this is how we insert figures into tables in Microsoft Excel. So we don't want this video to be long. We'd like to end it here and continue in the next lesson. Once again, my name is Foster. Let's meet in the next lesson. Bye.